Yep, that's correct. Next question.
Wait, what? Why is it being recorded?
I don't know. The HTML code doc type is found on what line number?
I remember.
I actually don't remember.
What?
So
That's like
imagine your HTML document. What's the first line that would be there? Where would this be? Would it be the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth
Sean
line?
basically just said the answer.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I was
Okay.
wondering.
So obviously,
I was
you'd-
wondering.
at the top of your HTML page, you'd say what type of document you'd have. So obviously, write doc
yeah,
type.
that thingy,
Say
right?
it's a document, then I think you say it's HTML, then you say it's English and not in like Arabic or
If
something.
I'm all the way last.
Wait, give me a second. I think I can show you here. Yeah, when you
What?
press F12,
Yeah.
you'll
Oh.
see here
Doc
doc type
type,
is the first thing.
HTML, and then HTML, and then HTML language English.
Beautiful.
Sometimes wouldn't a meta character set?
Calm down.
That's something.
Jamal.
That's something you'll see later as well. I think I forgot what that meant though. Anyways,
She's explaining.
Yeah, and then there's Ayan in the background calling.
Watch me drop
Yeah,
out of the
let's go
leaderboard.
to
Watch
that.
me drop.
let's go.
I'm dropping.
Damn it.
Oh,
Oh, the fall.
boy.
The fall.
Top 3 stays. Elias jumps up and
Shizzy
Shizzy
be
jumps
you.
Everyone,
up. Next question.
all the bottom two just got.
What is the correct HTML tag for a new paragraph?
No?
Is it BR, para, P, or paragraph?
I was
Oh, yeah.
about to say I would have
What's
been.
going on?
Did,
BR is line break. Remember that?
wait, did someone put a miscliction or was that one like? Did
Oh
Oh
someone-
my god.
Hang on.
The line break,
Dude, we won.
Don't say miscliction. I'm about to like.
They misclicked.
Yeah.
I'll play
Yes.
Hey, I
Batman.
didn't
I
do my
have
miscliction.
Yes, yeah, good job.
I also
Anyway,
have
so
five
Zawir, Khan, and myself swap
Zawiyar.
places. Oh yeah. Zawiyar
Thanks.
and
Appreciate it.
myself swap places.
Yes.
Elias stays 4th and Ian jumps up to 5th. Next question.
MashaAllah.
The start tag for heading 1 is
Which one?
Oh wait,
Takes one now.
that took me off course, right? Stupid
Oh,
ass
wait, I
triangle.
was about to say someone
Did-
wrote the closing tag.
Okay, yeah.
Did someone misclick?
Yanagi?
No.
It wasn't a
Yes,
misclick, it was a
someone
mistake.
wrote the.
Look at how is this come like
Yeah.
steps.
So
Ladder.
/H1 is obviously your end tag, not your start tag, and H1 doesn't have the bracket, so it's not a
That's
tag.
just
in the
like
first
Yan is
place.
explaining
I
everything.
accidentally put that one.
So next,
You need the.
Yeah,
Ayan jumped up.
let's go.
Yep.
Moving forward.
It's a very fun way to learn.
What is the close tag for H3?
Where is it? It seems to me that the close tag is always yellow. Or in the bottom left.
Yep, correct. So the close tag is gonna have a slash whenever it's being written. So obviously that's the
Wow.
only close tag here.
Yes,
Miscliction, yeah.
Okay, I did this like 4
So,
last year.
Next question.
This
Is
one.
someone crying?
I stay at the top. Oh yes. Wait,
The
why
ranks
is
stay the
why-
same. Now,
Triangle.
next,
It's still a- it's a
the
lot of-
HTML defines a something of web pages. We spoke about this last time as well.
I think I did it wrong, but yeah.
Did you put the one for CS?
Oh yes, I
It
got
is
it wrong.
the content. The HTML focuses on the content, and I won't say anything about CSS because I don't know if there's a question about it.
Oh, is
but-
this? Oh, so you didn't make this
I didn't make this note.
No, they make it themselves.
off
Whoever
Kahoot?
Kahoot is, yeah.
a
You
lot
think
Yeah.
you're gonna make one in 5
Computers.
seconds or something?
Mahi,
Okay.
very nice language. Kahootas.
Next question. I think that's what they call though.
What?
Yeah. They're
Next
called
question.
Kahoot.
That's
Nice.
out of all
Kahootas.
they could.
A new
Yeah.
word.
Leaderboard stays the
What?
same.
Kahoots.
What is the close tag for strong?
Very
Yes,
strong.
give me a second.
This should be pretty straightforward.
Yeah, it's
Very
Close
straightforward.
from.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I'll just make sure.
Someone wrote the
Okay, there we go.
someone did a misclick.
Miscliction.
Oh my
No,
god. Next question. Okay, leaderboard stays the same.
This is so
I'm gonna start speeding up.
It seems like it picks the one who's most disadvantaged.
CSS is styling code made for a web page, for making the web page look. Damn it, I was too slow.
Dude,
So-
I saw that. I answered that first, 100%. I saw that.
Mismatch to a spelling errors,
Someone
interactive.
wrote
Interactive.
JavaScript for me.
Interactive is what your I can't say it will lie. Okay,
Oh,
don't
No,
worry.
don't.
I
No,
just
it-
said it, didn't I?
Anyways,
I'm not gonna say it.
good with color options and special features. Correct. Your CSS is what makes your web page actually look pretty in general.
Style heats.
Yeah.
not Heats.
Nothing's moving. Everything's staying the
Yeah,
same.
everything's the same. The faster we answered, the faster the
The
loop
Internet
gets.
internet-
web is, what do you mean? Oh,
That's actually a good question.
a miss.
The internet's a myth.
What
It's all
was
conspiracy
sticky
theory.
It's a
substance
myth,
for-
it's all fake.
It's a
What is
conspiracy
yellow?
theory.
Sticky substance produced by spy. Oh, I thought someone did
That
yellow.
Is that
Okay, so the internet is a fast network of connected computers. So before I continue, there's actually a lot to talk about this in general. Well, all I'm going to say is that the internet started with just some computers connecting to each other, and how the internet actually became public was that they all decided, let's all make a standard for every computer so that we can all talk to each other the same way. That way, if I have an IBM computer and you have, let's say, a Dell computer, we can still talk to each other even though we're completely different, right? So they made this standard, and then this standard soon became public. And then this standard is where the internet actually started. It's a lot of fun to look into the context of this, but basically it's just a network of computers. That's all the internet are.
The history of internet.
The servers are all just different computers that have a lot of
Everyone's
storage.
gone 10,000. There's 21 questions. That's so long.
Yeah, there's 21 questions. It'll
That's a
take a
lot
while.
of things.
JavaScript?
Is,
Okay.
They said it. And I learned this one, so I know some of it.
I don't even know what
I
I don't know what it is.
JavaScript-related questions.
JavaScript is so easy. How do you not know what it is?
It's just like-
I mean, it's 6.
it's
oh, yes, I got it right.
interactive.
Okay, yeah, I
correct.
got it. Thank God.
So in JavaScript, you'd put in code, you'd tell it to, if I get this data, what should I do with it? If someone does this, do you want to run an animation? That's what JavaScript does. It's more of the technical side of code, you could say.
Who knew playing Kahoot would be so fun all of a sudden?
Anyways, next
I mean,
question.
Already fun. Without the
The web browser reads HTML and CSS code and displays pretty web pages on your screen. True or false?
I don't know.
It's
Oh,
true.
It's yellow, you know?
one false, so like who reads it then?
Who's the balls?
The web browser reads
Yeah.
web browser.
Must have been me.
I mean, that's kind of true in terms of it being
I-
pretty. That's what CSS is meant to do. And the web pages, the actual contents come from HTML.
Yeah.
So it
I
is
haven't
true.
answered. I got the first question.
HTML
right,
isn't
I've
supposed to
gotten
make it
everything
pretty.
right after that.
HTML is meant to
Yes.
put the content, the text, your images, and CSS is what makes it look nice.
That's
Yeah,
what
so
the-
isn't it
Moldy then.
false then?
No, because if the web browser would read both the HTML and the CSS and displays the pretty web pages on your screen.
So like there's the text and then there's
Wait,
the
but
stuff.
Yep.
So they combine.
HTML isn't supposed to make it pretty. Only
No, but CSS
is.
is correct. That's why we say pretty web pages, because the word pretty is meant to make it obvious to us that the CSS, that's the CSS job. And when we say web pages in general, that's always HTML. Make sense?
It also includes HTML because it says HTML and CSS.
Yeah.
Yeah, of
So
course.
what would web pages be? Just like a blank screen?
With that, let's say we didn't have CSS, it would be a normal web page. Let's say we didn't have HTML, then it's not a web page in the first place, because CSS needs HTML to actually make something look nice, right?
They both work together.
Okay. Okay.
One
Yeah.
fails, the other one dies.
Yeah, I kind of hate this question. now that I
HTML
think
is
about it.
like mainly the main thing you need. Unless
I'll-
you,
Next.
unless you
I'm
want.
on. I'm on exactly 11100. I mean,
11100.
Nice.
This leaderboard is so
Perfect.
hard to change.
Which
Which H-
HTML heading code is correct?
Oh, damn it. Oh,
This is correct.
Oh,
so you have to read the
got it.
HTML.
others is easy.
no, all of them. Okay, I'm not gonna give any hints actually.
So what we're doing right now sometimes is called debugging. Whenever you have errors in your HTML code, reading through it and fixing your errors is known as debugging. Because bugs are when something doesn't work. Obviously, if you get a bug in your system, it's gonna.
Wasn't it like wasn't it like the first use of debugging was when a bug literally entered the computer?
Yeah, a moth got inside a computer and actually broke the computer, and that's where the term debugging and debugging came
Oh
from.
wow, that's.
Oh, is that how it's made?
Yeah, actually.
How nice. Actually, I was always
Yeah.
Anyways, next
Okay.
question.
nice to know.
What line should the HTML tag example this be located?
On
Wait, what tag was that?
It depends if you like combine it or not. Or
I misclicked, I think.
another misclick. Don't you just add the.
Is it this?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Oh, it's line 2. Okay, I
No,
got that.
it's
Okay.
like when you usually if you don't combine it.
Oh, I was supposed to press line.
Easy.
First line is a
Press
document, remember?
line-
Okay.
You said easy. Lol.
Oh,
Bro, line 1 is where your doc type's gonna go. Line 3 is sometimes where your, I think, head.
That was
your header would
me.
go.
Isn't
I
it
was
when
the-
you
I was the
state
one who
language?
misclicked.
No, that's when you state the language. Like line 3 is like
You're
when
not
they
participating?
language.
I'm
Like,
so sad.
Give me a second. let me
sometimes
look.
they combine.
Shun's hacking. Shun's hacking, bro. Oh my
So like
god.
sometimes
Yes.
they combine HTML and
The hack.
I'm gonna hack into Kahoot and get all the answers, bro.
Bro, the guys, listen to what the guy's saying, bro. He's right. Sometimes they do combine HTML, CSS becomes one, but your HTML is your second tag.
Oh no, I misclicked.
You can see
Third
everything.
one
I'm
is
still
like the
fourth
language,
place.
and then the fourth
How
one is
nice.
all of the stuff. That's
Yeah.
Lamau.
Anyways,
Yeah, I know, right?
back to
Lamau.
this.
Don't do anything.
Next question.
Lamau.
Right, leaderboard
Oh.
has to change.
Yeah.
No,
has
it
to change.
didn't.
No, it won't. It won't.
Are you serious?
I'm still there.
Oh my
I'm so
god.
happy. I haven't
Yeah,
lost.
As long as I keep it straight and no one gets an
Oh, I thought it was gonna get shifted all the way down to the bottom.
Next question. What heading tag is used for the main largest heading?
Oh,
Oh yeah, I
Damn.
answered that first. I even saw on the screen.
Damn.
Yeah, it's just the biggest. Yeah.
everyone remember
Next
that.
question.
Yeah. I hope so.
Yeah, nothing changed. This is gonna be hard, bro.
I don't think it's gonna change at all.
What CSS property would you use to make text bold?
Oh, where
Oh.
is it? Oh, I remember now. Oh wait, no, I don't remember. I clicked the wrong one. Oh wait, that's the right one.
Yeah.
I'm in fifth
Font
place,
weight.
no.
I thought I
So-
clicked the wrong one because font style and like.
What does font style do again? I don't know.
Isn't that like the thing that like? Oh no, font families, the font like the
Oh,
type.
yeah,
of
font family is where you change the actual font.
The leaderboard has
It
changed.
still changes the actual font.
The underlining.
I
Oh,
repeat,
font
the
weight.
leaderboard has
I realized
changed.
how everyone unmuted themselves.
It's a good way.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
no,
how
I
loud it
remember,
is.
I
Yeah.
remember. So
Wow.
font style.
Dude, if only we could like adjust volumes properly, like on this.
Font
Mahi, this is how it feels in a primary classroom.
Dude, I've been in
Everyone's
primary too, don't
talking.
worry.
Because
I've been in a primary classroom.
Yeah,
before.
except the voices are overlaid, so like it's not like the person away isn't like. You
Oh
know.
no, in my class, the boys are just a big riot. They basically just
Okay.
kill each other in the class.
Next question.
Ready?
Ready?
Continue with the Kahoot, please.
Yeah, man. We're running out of time. Fine.
Oh,
Finally, something actually changed.
Alias
now.
moved up. Something has changed.
I still
Finally.
have the lead. I still have a streak.
I will come back up there one day.
of the game.
So, what CSS property would
Oh,
you
I
use to
remember.
make text
Oh.
italic?
I remember. I'm not
Oh,
gonna.
I forgot this.
I remember.
Mahi, why are you trying to make us
font
blind?
style.
Yeah.
Shit.
No!
That was fun.
Bye.
Yeah, I got it. Huh?
Wait.
Stop,
I
you're
heard,
making me
I heard
blind.
a gasp. Damn it.
Oh,
Alias
someone
has
went
climbed up.
Oh,
He's
look at the difference is only 25.
Alias has
I'm
climbed
dying
up
at the
from
moment.
5th to 3rd.
I'm
Over the course of 2
somehow.
questions.
Mahi,
I still have my
Mahi.
Guys,
3 players just hit on streak of 3. And I
Okay.
have
Mahi's just dancing to his
we are moving to the next question. Please focus.
I like why you doing.
Mahi's just dancing on the side of the screen.
Next question. An example of a web browser is. Oh,
Oh,
Oh, whoops, I was supposed to press all of these.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Well, they're all examples.
I
yeah.
forgot to...
if they're all
Miscliction, Mahi,
exact,
miscliction.
it's one.
Next
I got it
question.
correct, but still, technically,
Miscliction. Do you
Damn
know
it, the leaderboard hasn't moved.
It was.
Shut it off so
it's
you
great, but
This
it's
is
like,
not fair.
Joking.
Next question. Let's go on to the second last question. What is wrong
What
with
is
this
wrong with
line?
this life?
tilt. Oh dang it! I accidentally gave it away by saying that.
It's okay, it's okay. So guys, this is what we know as debugging. When you try and look for errors in your code when your website doesn't work, and then after looking at these errors, you fix it.
But I didn't know
You're
what
basically removing the bug that's in your code. It's actually
No!
quite powerful.
I'm saying it.
Tilt. Tilt. Hey.
Whoever said nothing is wrong with the code, you should go back to spelling classes, bro. It says tilt it.
I didn't read that.
Oh, my lights not working.
You just skim through it.
I
and
just, I just looked at all the symbols and I was like, no, nothing's wrong.
tilt.
Yeah. So obviously this is spelt wrong, and you can sometimes do have spelling mistakes. Some HTML
Tilt.
editors correct them for you though.
Tilty.
Anyways,
Anyways, they weren't.
Dude.
next question. This is the last question.
Stuff.
Leaderboard
Change
is stuck. Okay, time to go for
I
lightning
bet
speed.
you the leaderboard will not.
What is
move.
wrong with the this line of code?
You, Sean.
Wait, what?
This is a
Oh,
good-
oh,
That is
shut
so
up.
stupid.
It took me 5 seconds to process that. No.
Yeah, it took me 2 or something.
Why?
That
Is
What
it?
does it say that? Which one is it?
The first one, I think.
A
This isn't
what?
fair. This isn't fair.
I pressed green. I pressed green. I pressed green.
It's not even
This-
making you
this
happy.
Mahi,
HT.
you overtook me.
That means you're in top
Oh
five.
wow, let's go.
The podium, perfect score.
Mahi,
Win, let's go.
Third
I'm 6.
is Elias.
So sad.
Second. No.
I was so
John,
close
you're
to
so
20,000. I'm just.
Muhammad Ali! Yay!
Yeah,
I'm gonna start
Muhammad.
crying now.
I could have
GG's.
gotten 20,000, but like I was 200. I could have won 20,000 that time.
Mahi had to bypass me at
Okay.
the end.
We're just gonna stop it here for now. So it's 3:05. That's the end of our session here. And it was actually a lot of fun having you guys here. The Kahoots were fun. The sessions were fun, I hope. If you guys would want every single person right now to go into the Zoom chat and just type in some feedback, like anything you want us to improve, anything you think that can be done better,